Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to have a look at circle counters. If I refresh, and there we have it. Circle counters are absolutely great for showing off statistics and things like that on your site, and they're really easy to implement. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. And let's go down and add another row. And again, I'll add 3 columns to my row. And Divi comes with all these modules as standard. The one we're going to use today is the circle counter. There it is. And as you can see, it puts one in there with 50%, and it starts counting down for you straight away. So put in your title here, whatever it is you want to say. If you want to use a percentage or a number, put in the percentage or number there, say 95. If you want to have a straight number instead of a percentage, put a great big number in there and go down to elements. We can get rid of the percentage sign. So whether you want a huge number or percentage, remember percentage should really only go up to 100. So if you're having anything over 100, you probably want to take that percentage sign away. If you want to link your module, which is the whole module, when they click on it to go somewhere, put your link in there. If it's on the same site, use the same window. If it's to an external site, you probably want to use a new tab. Background, obviously self-explanatory. Background color, gradient, image or video. If you want to learn more about backgrounds, have a look at our playlist below. We've done separate videos on there. Okay, well, let's style our little circle here. So I'm on the design tab, down a circle here. Let's make this one green today. Circle background color, that's the color of anything that's left over. Now, as ours is over 100, it's fully filled right there. If I was to go back and put this down to 12, as you can see, we've got a background color there, so we can go back in, circle, and change the background color if we want to. We'll make it black. And at the moment you might think, well, that doesn't look black. It's because the opacity or see-throughness is set to 0.1, which is almost always see-through. If you bring the opacity up, that line will get darker and darker for you. Now moving on down, not much we really want to do to the whole text itself. This is general text, which will include the heading and the number. So let's move on down and do them separately. Title text. Let's make that our green color. Let's make it bold. Let's capitalize it, and we'll bring it up a little bit in size. You've got the regular sort of text things that you want here. Letter spacing, line height, etc. Don't think I want to use any text shadow. Kind of makes it look a little blurry to me on smaller text like that. Now the number text, let's do the same thing with that. Just make it green. I guess we can make it bold, make it stand out a little bit more. There we go, that's fantastic. Okay, so essentially we've got our counter there. Don't want to do any sizing or spacing, and I don't want to put a border around it, and I don't want to put any box shadow. If you want to learn more about filters, transform, animation, we've got separate videos all about those in the playlist below also. So let's go back and take our number up now that we've seen what our background can do. There we go, fantastic. All right, and say we're happy with our little counter there. New Divi feature they just implemented. We can go up to preset default here and save that preset set. Create a new preset. We'll say green circle, or whatever you want to call your preset so you can identify it. I don't want to assign the preset to the default, because if I do that, it'll turn all of our circle counters, including the ones above, to the screen color, so I'll leave that as it is. Now if we just save this, when you're ready to do another one and you're happy with the styles of that, just put another one in there. And you can simply go into the preset at the top here, load your green circle, and there it is. You've instantly got the same styling as your other one. So there's circle counters for you. They're great fun and informative things to have on your site, and they will get eyeballs to a certain place on the page because they're animated. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.